Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Hold on, I'll be right there. Today, we are going to be making baked mac and cheese cups. I just make these in muffin tins. They're delicious, they're easy, they're kid friendly. Gabe loves them. You want a banana? Sorry. So, Gabe loves them, I love them. They're kid and adult friendly. Perfect, like pick up and go snack, or even for dinner or lunch, whatever. So I'm excited to share it with you. Enjoy.